Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. Thompson 253 Hotel, engine failure. We are continuing with northwesterly and then inbound towards Wallasey.
Thompson 263 Hotel, roger. All runways available for landing, surface wind 070 degrees at 5 knots.
Manchester, Mayday 263 Hotel.
Mayday 263 Hotel, all runways available. Advise me if you wish vectors or continue visually for 06 left or right. Surface wind 060 degrees at 5 knots.
35 Yankee 1 into runway 06 right.
Tom Street, Yankee 1 into 6 right.
Man 53, he's entering 06 right.
Man 53, yes you can enter runway